Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. The news when I get for now today, it is very interesting. You know why? Because the same kind of saboteurs where we get in Biafran land, now so they still dey in Yoruba land. Remember saying the Yoruba land, they get one of our brother they call Sunday Adeyomo, aka Sunday Igboho. When be they fight, say make Yoruba people, when be the Oduduwa people, make them get their nation, what they call Oduduwa nation. But little did we know, say the saboteurs when we get like in Igbo land, like the Ohanes in the Igbo, say now the same way when Afenifere be to Yoruba people, that is selling their birthright to the northern people. You know, they just bring confusion to Sunday Igboho's Oduduwa agitation. Serious confusion. Remember, say, after Sunday Igboho don't declare, say, now Oduduwa ain't want. Like these Afenifere people and some other elements in Oduduwa land, the boss come out from nowhere, including that king where they call Owo of Owo. All of them know that guy when they do any. When say make all the whole Fulanis when they reject in Biafran land or in any part of Nigeria, make them come to Owo land. Now, Owo people now don't run, leave their home for the herdsmen people. Because of that, they are king. This is very funny, man. Because of that, they are king. I don't know who go crown that Owo of Owo as a king of that Owo land. So, the Afenifere people now, then they into big war with the people when they agitate for Oduduwa nation. The headline reads, Yoruba nation agitators and Afenifere in war after Afenifere don't endorse Kola Abiola for 2023. Everybody know who Kola Abiola be. Because now only one Kola Abiola then get in that Yoruba land. And now the son of late MKO Abiola, when we say Babangida send that man to early grave. After him papa when be Abiola don't claim say na him win one kind election, can't declare himself as the president of Nigeria. Now him Babangida when be the former military dictator, can send troops go arrest Abiola. In fact, now Black Maria they take carry Abiola up and down until they kill him inside prison. Now in son when they talk, now him Yoruba people don't go rule come out. So you come, we won't use you. We won't use your head, may you become for us. Now, the Bola Ahmed Tinubu, aka the Jagaban of the whole criminals when they get in the whole Africa. That one not know in faith again, as they don't rule Abiola come out now. And Sunday Igboho and his group, they run rat race because these people, they don't still rule out Abiola son to come out on. That is destabilize the agitation of Oduduwa. To the Jagaban himself not know him fit again because him be they hope this Afenifere people because Afenifere they just be like Ohanes and Igbo when they sabotage the effort of one man like Cameroon. Now the Afenifere now then they sabotage the one when Sunday Igboho they do. Don't they very clear to all of us now say now this elderly men and this group of people, unelected group of people, now them be our problem plus the FG. This unelected group of people, when they come and say them be one kind elderly men. In abroad, we never see all this kind of thing. Some old men will just come and say, nah, them be this and them be that. I never see them anywhere. In Canada here, we never see them. In America, they say. One group of people will just come and say, oh, not them they talk, not them be this. The only people we know in abroad, now the government. And that is all. The government of Canada, that they take care of citizens in this country. The government of America, the same way. The governments when they in Europe, the same way they put things in order for their people. That is why you see trouble not there in all these places. The reason why when people they agitate now because see our government denied everybody back and forth, left and right, up and down. They don't want to see you. All our money they're chucking and seeing at their own money. Our oil well become their own. Everything about Nigeria now then get them. So now the problem when trigger out all these agitators from Biafran land to Oduduwa land and to other states in Nigeria. Now, the Afenifere people now go carry Kola Abiola when don't hide, when no waiting kill him, Papa. Kola have to be very, very careful. You got to remember, say the same people when they roll and come out, now then connive together with the Babangida, Ibrahim Badamusu Babangida, they can kill him, Papa. In fact, the news don't clear to all of us before through this man they call Mustafa when they claim say na kill Kudirat Abiola. When Mustafa come and talk see the day when Abiola died, all these Yoruba people, all these elderly people when they this inside this Afenifere and many of them then come Asoro come they laugh at Abiola, come share money on top of the dead Abiola head. So Kola got to be very, very careful and remember waiting kill him Papa. Because him Papa no go tell you, see, now this one and that one. Kola himself know waiting kill him Papa. He knows see now all these elderly men join hand together with IBB, Ibrahim Badamusu Babangida, they kill him Papa. So now they won't come deceive Kola put. Who know whether they won't Kola head? Kola got to be very, very careful. So, waiting they try talk here, BC, the same people, when they sabotage the effort of the leader, indigenous people of Biafra, Mazen and the Kano, another group now in the Yoruba land, when they call the Afenifere people, they don't bust out, they sabotage the effort of Sunday Igboho and his group when they agitate for Oduduwa nation. Remember, see some months back, we don't tell them, see Yoruba people when they hungry to free themselves from this bondage called one Nigeria, and the Biafran people when they agitate to free themselves from the nation called the zoo, all of them are got to come together. All of them are youths. All of them are put heads together to find out or figure out how una go take roll out everybody head out from this one Nigeria. Because the same old people, when they in Biafran land, when they disturb Nnamdi, now the same kind of old people, all of them now stakeholders in one Nigeria. They don't tell you before. Say they don't invest a lot. The old man when they yarn this is not even shame. Say in don't invest, Yoruba people don't invest a lot in one Nigeria. Now the man they yarn that day. I don't know the kind of investment when they invest in one Nigeria. But he further begin claim say Osinbajo na VP I can say show. This one and that one. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu dey for presidency. You know, things like that now they tell us. But the people when know what they agitate for, like the Oduduwa nation and Biafran people, IPOB people, they know what they ask for. That is why they call see we can work together as well. They can work together as well to actualize their goal, because majority always win the vote. Like I used to say, people when they agitate for Oduduwa, they are not them be the majority. People when need this Biafra, when eagerly needs this Biafra, now them be the majority. There is no how when these few people, when they call Ohanes Ndigbo and Afenifere people, go win if the battle start. Real battle. Real battle. If you talk about intelligence, everything now people when they agitate, they are far more intelligence, far more in population. Everything combined together. Now them must to win them if them put head together to pull out from the zoo completely. And I don't tell you now before, see, if you want pull out your hair from the zoo, it will take a lot of work. A lot of work. Una go strategize, correct strategizing. Not be this one when people dey very, very divided. If you are serious, you want to really pull out your head, then the whole group know they are serious as they do what people say they want to pull out their head. They will pull out and nothing can stop them unless they are not serious. Remember, see, all this kind of thing not that easy. But at the end of the day, like I said, majority, now them, they win the whole thing. Majority. The people when they are for Biafra, they are majority. How many Ohanes Ndigbo dey? How many Biodos went to sabotage the effort of Nnamdi Kanu in Biafra land? Likewise in the Yoruba land. How many Afenifere people dey? How many then they? Including the whole governors, how many then they? Including their supporters, how many? Ladies and gentlemen. So make we take a look. See what they tell us about how they take roll out Kola Abiola. Come dump this guy when be the APC chieftain. When be the Jagaban of the whole criminals in Nigeria. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Mo read and mo see how it be. Yoruba nation agitators and Afenifere in war after Afenifere endorse Kola Abiola for 2023 presidency. I say them talk am. According to Gist Media News on YouTube, it was reported that Yoruba nation agitators and Afenifere are in war after it was revealed that Afenifere have full support for son of the late MKO Abiola, Kola Abiola for 2023 presidency. Remember, see, we never hear about Kola Abiola from anybody in the Yoruba land before. This one is the first time when the news they drop, ladies and gentlemen. See, Kola the I presidency. You don't tell us to make it very, very careful. Very, very careful. Because these Yoruba people, when they drag you come out, they are traitors to the core. You even better join Oduduwa than say you go contest for 2023 presidency. When the Northerners don't tell us, say nothing at all. According to the report, Yoruba man identified as Akim Adio Rasaki, speaking in native tongue, said in the following statement below. It is this time that we need awareness because of Afenifere. They have ganged up again to place us into second slavery. Me and you open our eye down for us to be sold out. If we open our eyes down to allow them sell out our children, I mean, we are going to suffer till the end. But the writer, when write this, ladies and gentlemen, no place things well. So the way when he take right time, now him and they take the place up for owner. Because you know, see in this platform, you not get anything where they paint or where they color. We they do them as they come. Alright? The man continue. Who are the Afenifere in Yoruba land? What is their work? Since Fulani herdsmen has been killing us, what have they done? Why is it that what does not benefit Yoruba is what they normally stand for? Why is it that what will bring tears in our eye is what Afenifere normally gather for? Since our farmers could not go to the farm because of Fulani herdsmen, we didn't see Afenifere. The same thing applies to the Ohaneze Ndigbo, ladies and gentlemen. The Ohaneze Ndi Hausa, now they call them. Not be Ohaneze Ndi Osiu, nke Ndi Hausa or nke Ndi Fulani. Now they call them the Ohaneze. He said Yoruba goes to school and becomes graduate, but are out there riding Okada in the street. He also said Yoruba girls are sleeping under the bridge. He said the bright future of the Yoruba have been shattered. On that note, he said it is left for Yoruba people to save themselves away from the group. He said Afenifere don't want good thing for Yoruba. He said the Yoruba to save themselves from Afenifere, everything is in their hands. He said again that Yoruba should not allow to be deceived again. God has shown us our enemies. Once you have known your enemy, we have known our enemy, we have known where our pains are coming from. We need awareness. We don't want this Afenifere. It is left for me and you. Look at it very well. Do we have good hospital? Can't you see how our aged parents are dying? If you go to the hospital, you won't see good drug and good facilities there. Our eyes have seen already. We don't want restructuring. Afenifere is not speaking for us. They are the one that push us to what we found ourselves today. Ladies and gentlemen, and they continue going on and on and on and on. The same thing when we talk. In Biafra land, who be these Ohades and Digbo? When people they listen to. Who be these people? Where they come from? Who voted for them? Wouldn't be that good thing when they don't bring come in Biafran land or in the Yoruba land. I mean for the Afenifere people. Now, the issue concerning the caller Abiola once again, now the one now mind blowing. Now mind blowing. They have noticed that the Yoruba will not vote for Tinubu in 2023 election. That is why they came up with the idea of the son of MKO to deceive us. We are close to promised land. Don't let Afenifere deceive us. It has been a long way we have started this journey. Yoruba kings have not been supportive. They don't want us to free from slavery. It is me and you that we set ourselves free from this. The same thing when everybody they talk, both from the Biafran land and the Oduduwa land. That is why they tell me, say, it is 100% possible, see, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the Sunday Igboho, the leader of the the leader of the Oduduwa people, or the man that is leading the Oduduwa people to liberate themselves. Anyhow, when you want put them, it's possible that una go work together and things will come to pass. Make we stop this division and stop the way when we the reason say, this one na Yoruba, how they want to take work together. This one na Igbo, how they want to take work together. No, coming together, that time una go get more strength to fight this fight. But Funky did not know whether they strategize somehow. I don't know, but I just they ship my little advice to these people when they agitate for the sovereign state of Biafra and for the Oduduwa nation. So it is possible, because breaking out from a country no go easy. But if Biafran people and Oduduwa people strategize and come together, forget. Nothing will make it not to come to pass. Ladies and gentlemen. And again, if una divide, it go dey them easy to fight una against una, I mean the FG. But if una come together, it go dey them very, very difficult to fight una. That is why I say, now the majority, now then they win the votes. One love, everybody. If you get anything when you want sheep come inside this analysis, make you ship and come, no wahala. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to Funky D Star TV. Bye everybody, and see you guys next time.